Hello, and welcome to my poster presentation on our work titled New Findings for Profiling the Aging Population. Since 2010, the number of publications on healthy cognitive aging has nearly quadrupled. Researchers have identified that while some individuals experience little change in cognitive health, others experience complex nonlinear dynamics, characterizing this population as highly variable. Explanations for this are described in longitudinal studies that reveal that individual differences in cognitive performance increase from early to late adulthood, to which both genetics and environmental factors contribute to. Further, despite this overall decline trend, cognitive health differs substantially inter-individually and intra-individually. Most studies observed in literature summarize general tendencies of a sample, eliminating both inter and intra-individual differences that provide information about the diversity in cognitive aging, risking having a substantial proportion of individuals composing this group not being represented by these group statistics. As a result, the currently available interventions rely on a one-size-fits-all approach that assumes a similar response from all individuals to the same environmental factor, which may not be accurate. Therefore, our research question is, does the cognitive profile of individuals change their environmental sensitivity in the older adult population? And we hypothesize that the environmental factors will show a greater impact on high and low cognitive scores than on average cognitive scores. Here, I'm presenting the results of the post-estimation of our ordinal logistic regression analysis. The x-axis represents the 5 cognitive categories, with 1 representing lowest cognition and 5 representing highest. The y-axis represents the marginal effects results, and each bar represents a distinct significant lifestyle factor described in the legend. Our results show that the extreme categories of 1 and 5 appear to present a relationship with each covariate of high magnitude, while the central cognitive category of 3 appears to show the smallest magnitude of effects. This means that the individuals in the intermediate cognitive category do not seem to be susceptible to lifestyle factors, whereas individuals in the extreme cognitive categories appear to be extremely so, or especially so. These findings appear to support an earlier theory proposed by Boyce and Ellis in the developmental sciences that identify 2 subtypes of the population with distinct responses to the environment. The orchid subtype that thrive under ideal conditions, but are also more susceptible to deterioration in poor environmental conditions, and the dandelion subtype that do not thrive to the same degree of orchid individuals in ideal conditions, but are also more resilient to deterioration in poor environmental conditions. For further details on our work, feel free to explore our poster and to email me any questions you may have. Thank you.